Yo, what is up YouTube? It's RTKL back with another video. And as y'all see by the title of the video, we on the way to go pick up some new rims for the G8. As y'all see, it's a gloomy day, it's raining outside. Just got off work. Just spoke to the guy who got the rims. He said it's cool to start heading there about an hour out. Alright y'all, so we about 5 minutes out from his house. It's still raining, so I'ma do the deal, load up the rims, head back, and then I'ma show y'all once I get back home because it's raining and I don't know if he wanna be on camera, and I ain't talked to him about all that because it's early in the morning. I just got out of work, sleepy, tired. So we is 5 minutes out from his house. Look at them, if they good, buy them, load them up, shoot back home, show y'all, put them on the G8, and then hopefully, you know what I'm saying, do some burnouts, twist, turn, you know what I'm saying, without rubbing. So I'm gonna tune in with y'all. I just wanna show you that we is here, y'all. We in the country. Bro got a G8. He got a G8. So I'm finna go in here, look at the rims, load them up if I want them, and then I'm gonna tune back in with y'all when I get everything all squared away. Alright y'all, I'm back from getting the rims. Well, I'm back from leaving his house. I just left his house with the rims. I don't know if y'all can see, but they in the back, all four. So I'm on my way back home, and I'm gonna tune in with y'all when I'm putting them on the car. What's good, YouTubers? And as y'all see by the title, today we gonna be changing my rims on my G8. As I told y'all before, it came with 22s and they was too big for my type of build. So I went and found some rims on Marketplace for $100. They G8 rims, but they just for the V6. Just something to get me by until I know what I want to do with my build, you know what I'm saying? So here we go. You know what I'm saying? $100, you can't beat it for real. You got good little tread on the tires. $100. They 245, 18s. So we got impact, jack, jump box, all that good stuff. So we finna just jump straight into it. I don't think I ever gave y'all a cold start of the 3-inch work exhaust with the headers. We still got the 3 mufflers, 1 in the middle and 2 in the back. So it's not too loud, but I'm gonna try and give y'all a little cold start of what it is right now. It's not too loud, it's not, you know what I'm saying? It just sounds good, got a deep little sound to it. So, I'm finna pull it out and we finna just jump straight into changing these tires. Alright y'all, so I gotta head to the local rim store because I gotta buy the rim lug nut socket. You know, with aftermarket rims, you gotta buy a certain socket, and the car didn't come with that socket. So I gotta shoot up there, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna knock this out. All right, y'all, so we back. I had to go to the auto parts store and get a, what is it, a thin wall impact socket. So this is thick with the plastic on there. You take the plastic off and it's a thin wall. So got the jack under there. Oh, shit, one thing. Got the jack under there. Alright, y'all. Let's hurry the fuck up. Come on, trust this. Alright, we got all four off. Back, front. Alright. Okay. Put this on. Alright, y'all. There's one tire. Then we finna knock this one out because it's already off the ground, as y'all see. Well, as y'all see, it's off the ground. So alright, we gotta go buy a lug nut. It only came with 4. It's supposed to be 5. Alright, let's get these big ass rims off of here. So now we can let it down. That jack is so sketchy. Alright, y'all, now let's do the other side. Bring my jack, my impact, and my jump box. And we might as well just start jacking it up. We're gonna do the same thing for this side. Uh-oh. Okay. jack not working. Oh shit. Alright YouTube, so when jack took a shit on me, stopped working out of nowhere. Y'all just see me jack up this side, put them 2 tires on. Then when I went to this side, it just didn't have no power, and it still don't have no power. So we gotta do it through manual. So old-fashioned black jack. We're gonna put a socket on the end like that, and we're gonna use the impact to drill it up. It's about the quickest way besides having an electric jack. But you know, these jacks is real. Thought I seen the damn car too. I gotta take this down. Take that down. And then we're gonna scoot it down this way. So we can get a better angle of the front tire. Alright. Boom. Alright, now we got a hand tightener. Hand loosener. I can't believe my jack just went out on me. Good thing it went out after I got done and not while the car was in the air. I always said I did not trust that jack. I don't trust no jack, to be honest. No jack at all. All right, y'all. The last one. Let's go get that rim. But for $100, couldn't pass it. I couldn't pass it up. And not only that, it's all I could find in my area. Couldn't find no Camaro SS rims. I found some, but the guy wouldn't message me back, so I had to go with my only option, the V6 rims. But these won't be like this for long, y'all. It's just so I can pinpoint how I want to go with this build. All right, y'all. Now we finna take this jack down. Okay, and there you have it. A regular ass, smuggler ass GA. I know you guys probably don't like it, but now I'll be able to have fun. You know what I'm saying? Do burnout, slide, and without having to worry about rubbing. These 18s is little. Shit. Well, we'll be alright. So we got the Full Works exhaust. You guys probably can't see it, but I'll post a picture of the back. Full Works exhaust. Here we go, yo. That was it for today's video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.